In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scored quiz in Typeform. To get started, open Typeform and create a new form. At this point, you can either choose a ready-made template or start completely from scratch. If you want a faster setup, a template can give you a useful structure right away. If you prefer full control over the layout and wording, starting from scratch is a great option. Either approach works, so choose the one that best fits the quiz you want to build. Once your form is open, begin adding your questions. For a quiz, multiple choice questions are often the easiest to score and review, so they're a good place to start. As you add each question, write the prompt clearly and make sure the answer options are easy to understand. This is especially important if you want respondents to move through the quiz smoothly without confusion. For every question, set the correct answer value where needed so Typeform can recognize which choices should contribute to the final result. Taking a little extra time here helps ensure the scoring works properly later. After your questions are in place, move to the logic section and look for the score quiz option. This is where you'll assign points to specific answer choices. For example, if one answer is correct, you can give that choice the appropriate number of points, while incorrect answers can receive fewer points or none at all, depending on how you want your quiz to behave. Be consistent with your scoring system across all questions, so the final score reflects the participant's performance accurately. If your quiz has different difficulty levels, this is also where you can decide whether some answers should be worth more than others. Next, set up your end screens so the results feel personalized and meaningful. Create customized end screens based on score ranges and use each one to display a different quiz outcome. For instance, lower score ranges might show a message for beginners, while higher score ranges can display a stronger result or a more advanced outcome. This makes the experience feel more interactive and helps participants immediately understand what their score means. When writing these result messages, keep the tone clear, helpful, and aligned with the purpose of your quiz. Before you finish, preview the entire form and test it yourself. Go through different answer combinations to confirm that the scoring works correctly and that each end screen appears for the right score range. Once everything looks good,